Ellen Pao is an American lawyer and the interim chief executive officer of internet company Reddit. Pao was previously a junior investing partner at Kleiner Perkins Caufield Byers and a corporate director at Flipboard. Pao, along with her two sisters, was born to Chinese immigrant parents. Her father, Yongping Pao, was a professor at New York University's Courant Institute of Mathematical Sciences. Pao was raised in Maplewood, New Jersey. She is fluent in English and Mandarin. Pao graduated from Princeton University with a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering in 1991, Harvard Law School with a Juris Doctor in 1994, and Harvard Business School with an MBA in 1998. Career. From 1994 to 1996, Pao worked as a corporate attorney at Cravath, Swaine Moore. In 1998, Pao worked at WebTV. Pao worked at several companies in Silicon Valley including BEA Systems as Senior Director of Corporate Business Development from 2001 until 2005. In 2005, Pao joined Kleiner Perkins, an established venture capital firm in San Francisco, as Technical Chief of Staff for John Doerr, a senior partner, a job that required degrees in engineering, law and business, and experience in enterprise software. Her base pay was $220,000 plus substantial bonuses. In 2007 she was appointed a Crown Fellow of the Aspen Institute on the recommendation of Doerr, a trustee. Also in 2007, she became a junior investing partner with Ted Schlein as her boss but was eventually passed over for a senior partner position. According to Pao, she had the job title of junior partner from her date of hiring and was promised an opportunity to move into an investing role. Doerr, who has expressed awareness of what he considers a gender gap at venture capital firms, mentored Pao, liberally providing feedback, but, in the end, agreed with the other senior partners who had made negative evaluations of her work at the firm. It is Pao's contention, in her suit for gender discrimination, that men with similar profiles were, nevertheless, promoted. On May 10, 2012, Pao filed a gender discrimination lawsuit against her employer. Later, on March 27, 2015, the jury decided the case in favor of the defendant on all counts. The lawsuit alleged workplace retaliation by a male junior partner resulting from his and Pao's romantic affair. She continued to work at the firm until October 1 when, according to her, she was terminated and, according to the defendant, was offered a 5-month transition, with pay, to an operating role, but, when she rejected their offer, terminated effective October 31, 2012. Her lawyer said she was fired in retaliation for her lawsuit. The complaint was amended to add that cause of action. The firm said Pao was terminated for performance reasons unrelated to the lawsuit. Pao joined Reddit in 2013 and became interim CEO in November 2014 after Yishan Wang resigned. In her role as CEO, Pao eliminated salary negotiation for Reddit employees, citing a gender discrimination motivation for the change. In June 2015, Pao was the subject of criticism and harassment by Reddit users after 5 Reddit communities, subreddits, were banned for harassment, with some users labeling her actions as totalitarian, and users began calling for her resignation. Furthermore, multiple petitions asking for her resignation were formed, garnering over 10,000 signatures respectively. Reddit users also criticized her lawsuit and complained about deletion of posts concerning Pao on Reddit. On May 10, 2012, Pao filed a gender discrimination suit against Kleiner Perkins which went to trial in late February 2015. It was covered by the national media and elicited broad comment regarding the issues raised. The case was live-blogged and tweeted constantly, to the point that the constant coverage provided both humorous and serious feedback to lawyers and witnesses. The trial, lasting 24 days, resulted in a favorable verdict for Kleiner Perkins. On June 5, 2015, Kleiner Perkins claimed that Pao demanded $2.7 million from the firm to not appeal the decision, Kleiner Perkins refused, saying that the demand was improper and excessive. The firm has said it will not pursue $970,000 in legal costs if Pao does not appeal the court's decision. Following the suit, 3 Silicon Valley attorneys working in employment law claimed that the number of women coming forward with complaints of gender discrimination had increased, with greater determination from these women to speak up. This has been referred to as the Pao effect by Fortune. Personal life. Pao was married to Roger Kuo but later divorced. In 2007, Pao married Buddy Fletcher, a former hedge fund manager, meeting him through Aspen Institute functions during the summer of 2007, after they were both appointed Crown Fellows. Pao and Fletcher have a daughter together.